everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your friend's voice chat inside your video recordings on your PlayStation 5. And this is very easy. Now we first need to turn on this specific setting. So we need to go to the share button, and we can do this two different ways. I'll show the other different way. Press the share button, open up the screen, then go on over to capture options, select this, and then we want to go down to these two options right here. It says include your mic audio. All video clips, including your trophies, will include your microphone audio. I have this check marked. Include your party audio. All video clips, including your trophy recordings, will include audio from the players in the parties who allow their voices to be shared. So you do need to share your voice to have it include in the video recordings or broadcasts. So I'll show you how to do that too. We can go to settings, go down to captures and broadcasts right here, and then go to the right and we can go to video format, and the same options will be under here if you can't bring it open under the share menu. So now once we have this, we need to share a voice or have our friends share their voice. So press the PlayStation button, go down to game base, then open up a party. So once you start up a party, you're going to have this screen. We want to go to the right, go to more. For more options, select this, go down to video chat settings right here. Then scroll on down, and you need to go to share your voice and have your friends do this, and go to allow. Select allow to include your voice in other players' broadcasts and video clips when you're in a party. So if you don't have this on, you won't hear your friend's voice at all. So it's very important. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.